Come on, Colin, you're the only one who's not over here.
If I can do it, you can.
Shit, man, this is slippy as shit. Don't worry, watch yourself in here, it's well slicker.
Oh.
Try and get up on there. It's a bit lower, at the ledge.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yes!
Right.
We did it! It's actually quite nice to get out of that for a minute. I feel like I've had a fall.
This is the next world champion.
Yeah!
Let's get in the waterfall. It's going to be nice and warm. Fuck. Ah! Jesus! Yes! Ah! Oh, it's freezing! Oh! Stop being a pussy! Woo. Oh man! Shit! Come on, Colin! Like a fucking maniac!
Standing under it gets your brain food there.
Oh, fuck shot! Stand under that with a McDonald's milkshake and just go.
It's just like the rain in Glasgow.
Yeah, I've cycled like this in Glasgow.
In the morning, that flat rock over there. You saw a really flat rock?
Yeah.
The sun is like, the sun's coming onto it, so you can like lie out and get warmed up again.
Oh man.
Like that over there.
Yeah. These guys, you feeling warm?
Just like being back in Glasgow. Nature's ice bar.
Gemma feels like she's about to go for a dive. Get in!
Go Gemma. Let's see.
Oh man, I've got to go back through it. Piece of advice, don't go through it with sunglasses on your head. Oh man. Ah fuck. Here goes again. Gotta watch it. Don't go through too quick, you might slip off at the end. Fucking hell, this is lethal.
Maybe we need to get back.
Right, let's go Glasgow.
Let's do it.
I'm holding these. They fell down in my face when I did it though. Woo! Oh man! Oh, it's fresh! You alright, Gemma? You feeling warm?
Freezing!
Yeah, are we honest? We're honest getting a selfie here. Zane! Getting a picture here. We're honest. We're all straight here, we can get one in front of the waterfall.
Oh yeah.
Hurry up, it's fucking cold!
I don't know how clear it's going to be with the water on it, but...